Okay, hey. If you, I'm gonna show you how to get a skin on Minecraft if you have the downloaded version, not the paid version for it. Um, First of all, if you don't know how to, first of all, I'm gonna show you this. Minecraft.jar is a file inside the .minecraft file on the computer. When you download, well, basically when you download the game, you get the .minecraft file. This is not the .minecraft file. This is a file inside that file. Kind of confusing, isn't it? Um, um, when you download Minecraft from what's in both, when you buy it, you get the .minecraft file as well because the .minecraft file holds all of the files needed to have play the game and etc. So you have it in the downloaded version or free version and the paid version, and I have the free version. So this is how to do it on the with the free version. This also kind of work. You can also do the same thing with the paid version. So first of all, you need to go to the Minecraft.jar file, and if you don't know how to do that, you go to do this later. You go to my computer, XP. I'm not sure about Mac and all that stuff because I don't use it. But then you go to your C or wherever you have your .minecraft, which most people, if you don't move it around and you don't mess with it, then it's going to be in your application data, which is a hidden folder, which all these are hidden. So the ones that they're grayed, not grayed out, but like faded, are hidden files. And if I remember correctly, you have to like, you have to see these hidden files. You have to, let me check here. I think, um, well, I don't remember how to. You can just look that up yourself. Just go on Google and type in how to see hidden folders on your in your My Computer. Don't just say how to see hidden folders, but you have to find the application data, which is you should go to see documents and settings, and then your user, which is my name is Matthew. So, then your user, and then you should see application data, netcode, blah blah blah, etc. etc. Um, then go to application data, and depending on if you move your folder or not, these are all my stuff. This some of my stuff I have here that I don't really use too much, but then you should see your .minecraft somewhere down here or somewhere in here. If you don't mess with it and move it around and stuff, it should be here, which should be the .minecraft where everything you your all your Minecraft saves, everything, etc. All that goes in this file. And just to tell you, if you accidentally delete this, you can just go into the game, or if you delete a file that you really need in here, you can just go in the game and say force update, which I'll show you. I can't exactly play Minecraft because my computer can't really handle it. Shoot, sometimes it'll do that. My computer cannot handle recording and playing the game at the same time. But if you accidentally delete a file in here and it's not in a recycling bin, or if it is, just restore it. If it's not, just hit this force update button right here. This check and then enter game, and and sit there and wait. And when it updates, it restores all the files. It'll restore your skin to tell you that. It gets annoying. But this is for the free. It does that all for the free version. It'll restore your skin, your changes, your texture pack changes, your adding texture packs, etc. All that it restores to its original form of the game. So you find your .minecraft file folder. You click it, go into it by double clicking. If you didn't know that, just random facts, and then you get this little thing here. This little in the folder you find the bin saves. The saves are your will save your worlds. You can back those up if you just to be careful with anything you have. This is not gonna mess with your worlds, but it's not gonna do anything harmful to your folders or anything. But just to say, I always back up my stuff, which is where is it? Right here, Minecraft Backup Worlds. I made this myself. This little folder. These are my two mods I use. These are my worlds here. I update them sometimes. I try to update them as much as I can. Your screenshots. I'm just giving kind of one run through this. My screenshot, I just haul out this entire room with the flying mod and instant mine, which took forever. It goes to this, that's the far corner, and it goes all the way around. I took out all the things, and I made a mob spawner. Unfortunately, it did not work, and sometimes I accidentally press F2 and take screenshots, and it does that stuff. But That's just your screenshots folder. But to take a screenshot in game, you hit the F2 button, which is above F3. I mean 3. So yeah, your movement keys, and then the number 3 up above that, and then above that there's F2, the function keys, and you hit F2 to take a screenshot in mid game, and then it kind of lags for a second, and then it says in the bottom left corner, it says take screenshot taken or something like that. Some of this I don't know what it does, but that's where I didn't know that. I don't for the free version, it doesn't give you a username. You can just say enter game, which I'm not sure why it says mnorse23, which is kind of funny actually. I don't know what some of these do, but I don't even remember having this here. But my special commands. But anyway, screenshots. I'm not sure what that does. This is too many items. When you download it, you get the little text file. This is the main thing. This is the main folder where everything's going to be: saves, texture packs, screenshots, mods, my folder for backups, resources. I'm not sure what some of that is, sound and all that. But anyway, your main thing is going to be in the bin folder, and you're going to see the little Java symbols is called the jar files. Then this natives thing right here. I'm not too. I love computers, and I'm kind of good with computers. I'm better than the average person, but I'm not the best at them, so I can't really give names for some things. But all these, you have these 5 executable jar files here, and then you have the natives thing. So you need to enter this Minecraft executable jar file. This is where everything is going to be. This world edit is originally not here, but this is for the mods I have on. So you're only going to have these 4 here, this one, and that one, and then have this here with it. So don't worry about that if you don't have it, because if you have mods on, you will have that if you have special commands and all that. But this is where most of this is gonna take. The editing is gonna take place. This is where most all the stuff you do, like changing the texture pack, making your own, changing your skin, etc. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your skin. So you cannot open this normally. You have to right-click it and then say Open with the archiver, WinRAR. If you don't have it, you're gonna have to download it. I can give you the link, but just search WinRAR free online. You'll find it somewhere. WinRAR's right here, so you can't just open it normally. It'll say like, it'll say invalid, corrupt jar file, etc. But you have to right click and say open with, and then WinRAR archiver. That's the only way to open it correctly so far that I know of. This is your thing. This was the page it was up earlier. So this comes up, just close that. This is where all this is gonna take, all your editing and all that is gonna take place. You can close that. Okay. What was I gonna say again? Okay. So let's go to this stuff back here. That's for this same video, but I accidentally did it wrong and I didn't have my mic on. Funny. I guess that's a common mistake, but I didn't have my mic on and I went through it too far and I realized I didn't have my mic on. I was mad. But anyway, you get to this. You can also get to this by just saying %appdata %.minecraft /minecraft app data is the same as application data, so you just click it. That'll bring you to the application data folder, and then you can just do that. You have to remember to put %. Then you do / and then .minecraft, which is that folder that we just entered. You can do that. Just hit OK, and it runs it, and then brings it to this, which is what we were at a minute ago. So you're at this. This is where all editing takes place, etc. If you want to change your skin, every time you update it, it'll change it back to Steve, whatever the crap his name was, Herobrine, I don't know, whatever his name is. But it changes everything back to the original. So just to tell you that, you might have to keep updating it. But anyway, your skin is found in Mob, this folder right here, and then you go all the way to the bottom and you say seek char.png. All the files, all the picture files here are going to be .png. Just keep that in mind. Char.png is basically like character.png, which holds your skin. This may look very familiar. It is actually Steve, or your look of your skin, or what your skin looks like. But sometimes, for some apparent reason, I have no idea why, I can put a skin on in this way. It works 99% of the time, but some reason, if you don't do it right, you'll end up with, for example, This happened to me once, and I picked Link. I took the picture of Link, the little PNG file of Link from Zelda, and I added it to him, added it to my skin for my skin, and I went to Minecraft, and the pixels were all scrambled on my guy. It looked like Link, but the mouth and eyes and everything was all mixed up. So you have your normal character char.png file, your skin. So this is your normal one. You might be different, I don't know. But that's your character.png. You drag that to your desktop. So that is your skin. Minimize this. Minimize it. Do not exit, or you're gonna have to go to it again. It's annoying. But now keep this on your desktop right here. Just keep it somewhere on there. Make sure you know where it is. Somewhere where you know where it is. I just put it on my desktop for quick access. So then you gotta go to this site. It's called Minecraft HTTP colon / Minecraft skins. Just basically type in Minecraft skins in here, and it should be one of those. The first that comes up. It'll come to this. Go to home and find your skin you want. Weird thing. I don't have Adobe updated right now, so it's gonna pop up a stupid message every once in a while. So you can go to this website and you find your skin you want. I just picked a random one for now, Rambo. I don't really favor him, but whatever. So do not click download Rainbow skin. Do not click it. You right click it. Say open a new tab to come up right there, or wherever your new tab is. It will have them right here. Right click and then say save image as. I think you're also able to do it from there. Yes, you are. Just do save image as. But I guess this is just how I do it. But anyway, you right click, you say save image as, and you put it on your desktop as well. And I think you can also just save it over your other character. So do char, just click the char you originally put. That's your normal character skin, your default. That's your original one you start off with. Just save it over top of it. Say, do you want to replace it? Yes. It will replace it, and then it's in downloads. Don't worry about it. That was my fail recording. I just delete them to make everything simple. So it downloads it on. You save it as a picture with this internet, and it should be right on top of what it was. It should be your original. It should not be your original skin. It should be what the one you saved it as. So you saved it over top of the original one that you put on here, and now it's here. So basically, all you have to do now is close that. Now you go back to your Minecraft.jar, which was, if you remember correctly, it was in .minecraft, and then in bin, and then etc. It was in bin, well, mob, double click mob, then your char.png is currently, this is your current skin, and this is Steve, or whatever the crap his name was. So basically delete it. Are you sure you want to delete mob-character.png? Make sure it's deleting it right. Okay, delete that. Now basically this, I'm kind of making this in a bit of detail just so it makes it easier to explain. Well, not easy to explain, but easy to figure out. And then you drag that char that you saved over top of your original one and put it in here. And now it should be here just like the original one, but it's changed to be rainbow. The rainbow skin. Rainbow skin. Now I'm going to put screenshots at the end, because if I try to like record it, it just doesn't turn out good. And I just put this with your Minecraft or whatever the crap you're doing, just wherever you want to put it. I don't really care. I think you can actually just move it to like C drive or whatever, because you don't like it cluttered and just random crap. Basically, you're done here now, so you can just check your Minecraft, and I can actually show you, but I'm not just gonna go around. Come on, so to fix these stupid errors, can you please comment in the comment section, because this just drives me nuts. I don't know why it does it. I'm happy for the 1.8 update, and I hate these stupid errors. I don't know what the problem is with it. I heard someone say it's a problem with the compatibility issues, like if you're not compatible, if it's not compatible in this little thing here, but I'm not worried about that. And so okay, if you just keep pressing, if it does this, it will eventually work, which is working now. But I can show you what it looks like, and I can also put screenshots to make it a bit easier. So I have the free version, so you don't have to input a username. If you want to, every time you check this and then say enter game, it will update, and then just put everything back to default, but it will update the version. So for example, if you're going into 1.8, which is going to be on tomorrow, I think it's coming out. The original, the real patch is coming out tomorrow. So you should force update and then enter game, I think. I'm pretty sure. And then it'll change all your skins and everything back to default, and then it'll update the game. Enter game, and which one am I on again? I'm not gonna. Okay, so you go to single player as normal. I'm just gonna pick a random world I have. It's lagging, of course. Wait a second for the chunks to update. I think you press it's F5, and now your skin has changed to Rambo or whoever you picked. It's pretty neat and kind of fun. He's Rainbow now. Rainbow now. It turned out good. So that's him. Get up closer. So that's Rainbow. Mr. Rainbow here. I'm probably gonna change it to something different if I ever want to. And the reason this is all hollowed out is because I found one particular slime here, which I'm thinking about hollowing it out more just because I wanna see if I can, because slimes are extremely rare and they only spawn in certain chunk areas. I saved a right there. It's a save screenshot that I accidentally hit F2 and it saved a screenshot. F3 brings up your lag meter. Of course, it's lagging like crazy as normal. But when I'm not recording, I've always put it on a small render distance because I'm inside a cave and I don't really care too much. So it doesn't. On good days, I can have single player and it will just run perfectly fine at 105 frames per second. And now it's just sucky. And on top of that, I'm recording, so it's just even worse. But there's the skin. That's how to change it. I'm lagging up again. So that I changed the skin. You can pause and check and see if you did it right. That's basically it. See ya.